Sholem Asch was a writer who decided that Yiddish could compete with every other literature on earth and compete in going big. Some of the greatest Yiddish writers had decided differently. They had decided that Jews were a minority. Yiddish was a minor language even within the Jewish hierarchy of languages itself. Hebrew was of a higher stature. And for those people who were becoming acculturated, the languages of the land were at a higher level. So if we're going to write about Yiddish life, about Jewish life, Yiddish life, let's keep it to what it actually is. Let's keep it to the Jewish street. Let's keep it to the Jewish marketplace. Let's keep it to the synagogue. Let's keep it to the workplace. We'll keep it modest, and we'll generate the universal themes through the modesty of Jewish life. That's basically, I think, characteristic of most Yiddish writing. It was not characteristic of Sholem Asch. He saw Polish writers winning Nobel Prizes because they wrote things like Quo Vadis, because they wrote epics in many volumes. And so he thought, I can take on any subject. The Russian Revolution, that's for me. So he writes a book in 3 volumes, each volume based in a different city, St. Petersburg, Warsaw, and Moscow. And he tells us the whole trajectory of the Russian Revolution through this Jewish family. And the idea that you can really try anything in Yiddish and you don't have to go small, you can go large. I think that this is something that Sholem Asch brought into Yiddish literature, which remained very valuable.